Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of 3D Smarties. Today I'll be showing you how to make a yin-yang symbol in Gimp. So I'm just going to press File, New, and make sure you have 1280 by 1280 because we want a square. And if you look on Advanced Options, and also make sure you have Fill with Foreground Color, and press OK. And we're just gonna make this white. Okay, so if you press the paint bucket, yeah, right, now we have a symmetrical image. So what we need to do now is image guides. These are going to help us throughout the video. Horizontal and 50%, and press OK. And now we're going to do the same thing, except instead of horizontal, we're just going to press vertical. So vertical. Okay. And now we have two guides cutting halfway across the page. So now just grab the ellipse tool, which is this kind of circle tool. So if you put it right in the center of these two guides and press Ctrl and like drag it along. So now it's a perfectly symmetrical circle. Press Select to Path, select None, and if you look over the side of the screen, we have layers, channels, and paths. So if you go into paths and press the icon which has an eye on it, a red circle will appear in the screen because we've created a path. And now we're going to make two other circles like this. So Control, I'm going to drag it along. Okay, like that. And I'm just going to make it a bit bigger this way. Done. And now select to path, select None, and in the path section again press the icon. And at the bottom right hand corner we have a duplicate this path thing. So if you press that, then we have two of the same circle, and we're just going to grab the move tool and press path and move this path over to bottom. Done. So they're overlapping each other in the same way. And now we're going to make two circles in the middle of them because this is yin-yang. So ellipse tool and put it somewhere in the center, Control and move it along. And then I'm going to move it a bit lower and make it smaller.
Больше не вижу.
And I think that's good. And now I'm going to press Select to Path, select None, and again I'm just going to duplicate this circle and move it along using the move tool. Right. Yeah. And now that we have this image complete, we're going to fill the circles with different colors. So just let's do black first. So if you swap these colors around, and on selection 1, you're going to press fill path and press fill. And now the circle in the middle is going to be white because that's what we're going to do. And so if you go into selection 3, the circle that you're selecting goes red when you press it. So fill path and just switch these colors around so it's white. Press fill. And now do the same to the bottom circle, except this time the bottom circle is going to be green. So on selection 2, you're going to right click it and press fill path, and I'm just going to change this color to green. Okay, and just press fill. And now we're going to make the selection 4 white too. So fill path, and we're going to make this white, and okay, fill. Right, now we have our circles filled. We need to make it so that the yin-yang symbol isn't just 2 circles, it's kind of like a snaky line. So if you grab the rectangle select tool, which is the first tool on there, so if you grab that and just make a rectangle up to here, up to where the circle overlaps, just make sure it covers this bit. And now we're going to make it into a path, so select path, select none. Now there's no need to press the icon because we don't need to see this. So if you press fill path and fill, and now it's white. And now we're going to do the same to the bottom section. So if you just do this, and move it along, and just make it a path, select none, and right click it and press fill path and fill. Okay, now what we need to do is row out these bits that we don't need. So we don't need this big circle anymore. So we can delete it because all we need really is the snaky bits. So now if you do select by color and press on the black, and now go into select and invert. So now we can rub out the bits that we don't need. Well, actually, I think it's better to do that to the green first because that's the one touching everything. Yeah. And now press select invert. And now if we grab the rubber tool and just rub this black, oopsies, make the bottom color white. Okay. Now just rub this bit out. Okay, and that's done. So now we need to rub out this green bit. So if you press select none, just rub that out. So now if you go into selection 2, selection 1, yeah, selection 1, right click it and press path to selection. Now press select invert, and just rub this bit out. Done. And now I think our yin-yang symbol is almost done. What we need to do now is just firstly flatten the image so this is all one bit. So if you press image, flatten image, and also what we need to do is change both sides to the same color. So if you just do select by color and press on the green side, and just make it black. So select edit, and we're just going to make this color black because that's what we need. Black, and OK, and edit, fill with foreground color, and now we've got a yin-yang symbol, except that we need to just delete the path so we can see it clearly. So just delete all the paths, you don't need any of them, and now you can see that we've got perfect yin-yang symbol. Thanks for watching, bye!